angles and lines. Now there are some fundamental things that form the basis of geometry. So in this lesson, I'm going to talk about straight lines, triangles, isosceles and equilateral triangles, quadrilaterals, full turn angles, and parallel lines. Now, if I have this straight line and here the angle is x, here it's y, and here it's z. So the summation of these three angles add up to 180 degrees because they lie on a straight line. So x plus y plus z equals 180 degrees. So that's the first fundamental result. Now the second one is about a full turn angle. So I have here four angles, so x, y, z, w. So these four angles are all around a point, which is the center, or it's the point of intersection between or of the two lines. So these four angles, they lie around the point of intersection. So the summation of these four angles add up to 360 degrees. So x plus y plus z plus w equals 360 degrees. The third fundamental result is about a triangle. So the summation of all angles inside a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So x plus y plus z here equals 180 degrees. Next, we have quadrilaterals. So quadrilaterals are four-sided shapes. So they are shapes with four sides. So in this case, I have a shape with four sides. So this is the first, second, third, and fourth side. Now, if I add up all the interior angles inside the quadrilateral, they add up to 360 degrees. So x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360 degrees. Now let's talk about two special triangles, which are the isosceles triangle and the equilateral triangle. So for any isosceles triangle, you have to know that one pair of sides is equal. So two sides are of equal length. So this side over here is equal to this side. And if these two sides are equal, then the adjacent angles are equal too. So if this is x, then this is x. Now for any equilateral triangle, you have to know that all sides are equal. So this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, and each angle is equal to 60 degrees. Now the last fundamental result, which is about parallel lines. So parallel lines are lines that move or that travel or move in the same direction, but they never meet or intersect. Now the blue line here is called a transversal line because this line intersects these two red parallel lines. Now whenever you have two parallel lines and one transversal line, so here angle A is equal to angle B. Why? Because these two angles are corresponding angles. So these are corresponding. Angle B is equal to C. Why? Because these two angles are alternating angles or alternate angles. And angle D plus angle B add up to 180 degrees because these two angles are allied angles. So allied comes from alliance. So since these two angles they are on the same side, so these two angles are allied angles. Now in this example I'm given two parallel lines and two transversal lines. So this angle here is 120 degrees, this angle is 35 degrees, this is C, this is A, this is B. And I need to find the value of A, the value of B, and the value of C. Now the value of C is equal to 35 degrees, and the reason because the angle C and the angle which is or the 35 degree angle are vertically opposite angles. So these are vertically opposite. So C is equal to 35. Now angle B is equal to 120 degrees because the angle here, which is 120 degrees, is corresponding to B. So 120 degrees and B are corresponding angles. Now, how can we find A? Now, since B is 120 degrees, now angles A and B lie on a straight line. So if I add up A to B, the answer is 180 degrees. So A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. Now since B is 120, so A plus 120 is equal to 180. So A is 180 minus 120, which is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, C is 35 because the angle C and 35 degree are vertically opposite. B is 120 degrees because 120 and B are corresponding angles, and A is 60 degrees because A and B lie on a straight line. So A is actually 180 minus 120, which is 60 degrees.